Namastute, fellow Indians. So our revered Modi ji returned from Ayodhya to Delhi and immediately got to work kicking off the Suryodaya scheme, where more than 1 crore households and establishments would be self-sufficient for their energy needs. Modi ji chose this very symbolic occasion to make this very vital point about India's energy needs. There are some very heavy statistics which come to my mind. Number one being, India's economy has some very long-standing deflators. Deflators which bring down the economic output of our nation. One of which is our dependence for 87.8% of our petroleum needs on imports. तो पिछले साल इंडिया ने कुल मिला के मोर देन 12 लाख करोड़ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज ऑयल एक्सपोर्टिंग देशों को प्रदान किया है. टू दैट एक्सटेंट that much money has gone out of our economy. That much money could have gone as payment for goods and services to Indians. That is what a deflator does. There are other deflators. Indians also import a lot of electronics, which we don't make chips for in India. Indians also import a lot of gold, and India imports a lot of arms. On all these projects, Modi ji is hard at work, but this time let me stay limited to energy. India बहुत ही जल्द विकसित देशों में शामिल होगा. When this happens, our energy demand is going to further skyrocket. On top of it, आप तो जानते ही हैं ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस के चलते बहुत सारे ऑब्लिगेशन सारे देशों पे हैं. यूएई में पिछले COP28 कॉन्फ्रेंस में मोदी जी ने मैक्सिमम अरसा इंडिया के लिए नेगोशिएट किया है. 2070 तक इंडिया कोल बेस्ड पावर का उत्पादन करता जा सकता है. It gives a very long lease of life for coal-based electricity in which India is self-sufficient. But that is also going to end one day soon. When that happens, we have to be prepared for it. That is where Modi ji's drive for the solar mission, the Suryodaya scheme, all these, they fall in place. India के बिजली के सेक्टर में सारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनियां घोर लॉसेस में हैं. More than 70,000 crore a year India loses to fund losses, transmission loss, बिजली की चोरी, पंप सेट का फ्री बिजली, सबके लिए more than 70,000 crores is lost. Where is the end to all this? Let us produce it on the cheap. Let us produce it decentralized. बड़े ग्रिड पावर के लिए बड़े सोलर फार्म, बड़े इंडस्ट्री और खुद के स्वयं के रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए रूफटॉप. Let us do this. Final word in this. आपको तो पता ही है, all energy on this planet ultimately comes from the sun. Every tree, plant, chlorophyll, right down to every fossil fuel originally got its electricity from the sun. आज के दिन मोदी जी ने सूर्योदय स्कीम के जरिए सूर्यवंशी भगवान राम से प्रेरित होकर हमको दिशा दी है. Let us absorb the energy from the sun, mingle it into our lives and become self-sufficient for the lowest cost power, which is the natural advantage of a tropical nation like India.
और ऊर्जा आज की नहीं बल्कि 21वीं सदी की ऊर्जा जरूरतों का एक बड़ा माध्यम होने वाला है, क्योंकि सौर ऊर्जा श्योर है, प्योर है और सिक्योर है.